In opener 12, now we don't have an h value, right? We have y equals 1/2 x minus 0 squared minus 2. So my hk is going to be 0, negative 2. My a value is going to be 1/2, so I'd expect this to be fatter than its parent function, y equals x squared, and shifted to the left by 2 units. So using my vertex at negative, oh sorry, not 2 units to the left, 2 units down because it's 0, negative 2. So 2 units down and slightly wider than its parent function. Remember, jump patterns is plus 1 times a half, plus 3 times a half, plus 5 times a half, plus 7 times a half. So at this point I'm jumping by halves. So right one up a half, right one up 3 halves, right one up 5 halves, which is 2.5, right one up 7 halves, which is 3.5, half, 1, 2, 3. That was 7 halves, right? So right one 9 halves, which is 4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Then 11 halves, which is 5.5. Right one half, 1, 2, not enough room. So now I use my symmetry to plot the rest. And there you have it, slightly wider parabola, shifted down 2 units. If you want to just be sure, test a point, maybe 2 points. Here we have 4, 6, and here we have negative 5, 9.5. Test those to be sure. So 4, when I plug in 4, I get 1/2 times 4 squared minus 2, which is 4 squared 16, times a half is 8, minus 2 is 6. That works. Negative 5, I get 1/2 times negative 5 squared, which is 12.5, minus 2 is 10.5. Did I right? 10.5. So where did I go wrong in my jumps? Over 1 up 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. I didn't go up high enough. In fact, my jump should have been up here. So it's a good thing I'm testing it. So now that works at 10.5, not 9.5. So it's always good to test some points just to make sure you're doing the right thing. But that was a small, a careless error in the sense that I wasn't tracing this correctly. Still, the pattern holds.